Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Real News Daily, where we dive into the fascinating world of science and uncover the most interesting facts. Today, we're talking about the sound of music, literally. Researchers have been studying what makes certain names sound pleasing to our ears, and the results are surprisingly revealing. According to a recent study published in the journal Science Advances, some names are indeed more harmonious than others. The scientists behind this research analyzed over 3,000 names from around the world and found that people tend to prefer names that have a specific combination of sounds. These sounds include a mix of vowels and consonants, as well as certain sound patterns that create a sense of musicality. One key finding is that names with a symmetrical sound pattern are more likely to be liked than those with an asymmetrical pattern. In other words, if the sounds in your name have a mirror-like quality, you're more likely to find it pleasing to others. For example, names like Ava or Ethan tend to score well in this regard. Another interesting finding is that certain types of vowels can make a name sound more pleasant than others. Research suggests that the combination of short and long vowel sounds creates a sense of contrast that makes us perceive the name as more enjoyable. So, if you're thinking of giving your child a unique name, consider something like Lyra or Kai. These names are likely to be a hit with both parents and children alike. But what's really fascinating is how our personal associations can influence our perception of names. According to the study, people tend to have strong emotional connections to their own names, which can either make them more or less enjoyable to others. So, if you're thinking of adopting a name for yourself, consider something that holds special meaning, like your parents' names, perhaps. At Real News Daily, we love exploring the weird and wonderful world of science, and this study is no exception. From the way we perceive beauty in nature to the quirks of our own brains, there's always more to discover about ourselves and the world around us. So stay tuned for more fascinating stories like this one, only on Real News Daily.